Welcome, GeoTrig. This lesson is on volume of prisms, cylinders, pyramids, cones, and the surface area and volume of spheres. The essential question is, how are you going to remember all of these formulas? Let's begin. So I'm just going to go straight through these just like the last video. Volume of a prism. So the volume of the prism, the formula for this is the area of the base times the height of the prism. And this will work for any types of base. So, if this was a cube or a rectangular prism, you go length times width times height, because you do the area of the base times the height. But it'll work for any type of prism, even if you have a pentagon for the base or a triangle for the base. Any type of prism, it'll work, as long as you find the area of the base. Volume of a cylinder. So the formula for this, it's very similar here, it's just different shape. The volume is the base times the height, but the base of a cylinder is going to be a circle, and the area of that is pi r squared, so the volume is pi r squared times the height. Alright, volume of a pyramid. So the formula for the volume of a pyramid is 1/3 times the base times the height. And this will work for any type of pyramids, even oblique pyramids. You just have to identify the height. We're not worrying about the slant height, just the regular height. It's a perpendicular height from the base. So that's the height there, and that's the height there. That'll work for all types of pyramids and any type of base for that pyramid. Volume of a cone. The formula for the volume of the cone is 1/3 times the base times the height, which is similar to the pyramid, but our cone base is going to be pi r squared because it's a circle. So the volume is 1/3 times pi times r squared times the height. And you're looking for that perpendicular height again. And this will also work for oblique cones. Next one. Surface area of a sphere. So spheres are different here. So you need to know what the radius of the length of the sphere is, and your surface area of the formula is 4 times pi times the radius squared. And it's kind of neat to think about, well, why is it 4 pi r squared? And the book has this picture where they break it up into a baseball and say, hey, look, we have 4 different circles here, and the area of each circle is pi r squared. Since there's 4 of them, it's 4 pi r squared. Another way to think of this, and I like to think of this, all these volume problems or surface area problems, it's going to be the base times the height of the pyramid, and the height, I think I'm off on that. I'm thinking of volume. You know what? Forget that. Here's the formula. Let's go. Volume of a sphere. So the volume of the sphere is going to be this formula, 4/3 pi r cubed. And if you're wondering why that works out, the book has a good explanation for this, but I didn't want to go through it in this video. And if you're interested in that, look it up and we can talk about it during class. But for the purposes of this video, hey look, there's the formula. And that's it. We'll do examples in class.